Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you through my YouTube channel. This is in YouTube Studio. Once you get to your YouTube Studio, you'll get important notifications about your YouTube channel status quo. So today, in my YouTube channel, one of my videos received a copyright claim. As I get here, I can see a copyright owner claimed some content in your video. The video is called Just Look Around, See Chess Kenya. At Lifestyle Tutorials, please note this is not a copyright strike. It's a copyright claim. So once I get the copyright claim, I can see that I have the view options. I can see the channel. The channel, since it was a copyright claim, the channel has not been affected, but the content ID on your video does not affect the channel. So I can see everybody can see this video. So once I come here, I can see this video cannot be monetized. And you can see the reason that the video cannot be monetized. The copyright owner who claimed the ID claim was Elite Alliance Music. So I can select an action. I can either replace the song, I can either mute the song. Do you have the rights to this content? Or either I can dispute. If you own the content and you feel that the content is yours, you can dispute. If you have the right to the original content, you can also you can claim the rights. Then you will be able to show proper documentation how you claim the rights to that content. But for myself, I'll since YouTube has upgraded its AI artificial intelligence algorithm, I'll be able to tell them to mute the song. Once I tell them to mute the song, it will mute all the sound when the song plays. I have an option where to choose how to mute the claimed song, mute all the song when it plays from the 0 seconds to the end, or mute the song only. Mute all the sound when the song plays. I'll come here and remove all the sound from the video. Well claimed where claimed song plays, this option usually faster and more likely to remove the claimed song only, keeping the rest of the sound. This option usually take longer and might not work if the sound is hard to remove. So we have been given the options very clearly that in case I say that I remove only the song, mute the song only. I'm told this option usually take longer and might not work if the song is hard to remove. But now I just say mute all the sound when the song plays. I'll give it a continue, and we'll be told mute all the song when mute all the sound when the song plays. Then I'll be tell it to mute, and I think at that I'll be able to. We'll wait for the results. I will receive an email update whether now the copyright claim where the company Alliance that had claimed its copyright muting the song is it is processing the video. The process might take long. You may choose to close the window, check back later. If you are able to mute the copyrighted song, if we are able to mute the copyrighted song, we'll update any view or monetize any restriction. The video may remain in its current status until the process is completed. Thank you. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.